you know na, I'm getting married. Arey, my big day is just around the corner and I have to do so much prep for it. But first, I want to make my skin look the best for my big day. My biggest worry is where to find the appropriate products that could not only suit my skin but enhance my bridal look.
Don't get all worked up. I'm here for you.
Thanks, Kiki. Oh, by the way, guys, meet Kiki. Kiki knows everything possible. So, Kiki, help me out with this one more time, please.
Sure. From what I know, your skin is sensitive and acne prone, so we need products that treat your concern. Let's check Nykaa.
Oh yes, how can I forget Nykaa? All of my friends shop all their skincare and makeup products from Nykaa. My sister also purchased her entire bridal makeup from Nykaa. So I think it's time we browse the website. So let me browse through the app right away. They have different categories at the top such as Nykaa Everyday, Makeup, Skincare, Hair Care, Shop Conscious and many more. I see multiple categories, top brands, further categorized as brands per offer, followed by brands which are only available at Nykaa, best of luxury and so on and so forth. This is amazing. Like I was thinking of asking a friend of mine to get some luxe products from Dubai, but I don't need to since Nykaa has it all now. This is a great beginning. Thanks, Kiki. Let me quickly go to the categories section. Now I see there are a lot of options such as makeup, skin, hair, bath and body, fragrance, appliance, health and wellness, and natural. Okay, I'm clicking on skin. So the first thing I am thinking of is a serum. As my dermatologist has recommended me to use a serum, let me just look for it. Okay. Oh, Nykaa has its own face serum too. Wait, let me check some more brands. There is the Ordinary, Minimalist, Cosrx Advanced, the Dermaco. Out of these, let me select the Dermaco's vitamin serum. Because as my dermatologist said, I have sensitive skin and vitamin serum has anti-inflammatory properties which will help reduce the dullness and redness. So let me check the price. It's for just 617 rupees. Here we go, adding it to my cart.
Great choice. You have a serum. What about a moisturizer and a toner?
Gotcha. I have a moisturizer, so that's done. But I will need a toner. You can choose from acid toners, natural toners, or the patent rose water toner as per your skin type. Here it is. I am going to choose Pilgrim's White Lotus Toner. Now, I have used this product in the past and it helps you rejuvenate your skin and instantly provides hydration. And it is just for 285 rupees. Adding it to my cart. So, face serum reduces the dullness while toner hydrates my skin, giving a perfect glow from within for all the wedding functions. And the best part, it is great not just for brides but for bridesmaids as well. Now I am on the hunt for an appropriate face primer. My makeup artist told me a primer is important because not only it blurs your pores and smooths your skin, but it also helps you decrease the production of oils throughout the day. Now I want a cream-based formulation since it's long-lasting. So under the formulation filter category, let me select cream-based primer. You can also choose liquid, gel, and many more options. So now let me look for some options. I like the Smashbox Photo Finish Illumina Glow Primer. It is backed up with vitamin C, which nourishes, algae, which keeps in rejuvenating, probiotic extracts that balances, antioxidants that protects, hyaluronic acid that hydrates. In fact, my makeup artist has suggested that I use this. It gives a very dewy and finished photo look and also helps to give you that extra glow on your face. It helps to remove the excess oil on your face and it also gives you a proper finished glow. I am adding this to my cart. Okay, now let's move forward as I have got the primer. Now let me look for BB and CC cream.
Did you know BB and CC cream is for daily use? It is a lightweight and perfect replacement foundation.
So you basically mean that it is for days when I don't feel like wearing the heavy makeup on. That's going to be an interesting find, Kiki. Let me select the category and then select makeup. Under that, I am selecting BB and CC cream. Now let me filter out my options and select the brand filter. I am thinking of going with Lakme because one of my sisters, she has the same skin type and she has suggested. So let me look for options nevertheless. I also like Maybelline as it is very chic, but I will anyway go with Lakme 925cc cream. It has SPF 30 also. It will conceal, moisturize and give me an even skin tone. The primer would enhance the CC cream and I'm so sure about that. It's just for 269 rupees and it's done. Adding to the cart. Alright, I'm almost done, but as the day will get over, I would want to remove my makeup as it is very important for healthy glowing skin. So let me look for it now. Let me search for makeup remover in the search bar. Again, so many options, but not to worry as long as we have filters. Let me filter it out by using average customer rating filter as 4 stars and above. Hey, Garnier micellar water. But okay, let me check. Nykaa's makeup remover wipes. Looks good. It's safe for all skin types, easy to use and travel friendly. Great. I am getting 30 wipes for 299 rupees only, and that is the final thing going into my bag. Now always keep the primer, BB cream and makeup remover handy as you will need them even after your wedding day because there will be so many get-togethers and small functions. Also, these are quite lightweight products, so they aren't too heavy on your skin but at the same time give that makeup kind of look. This has been quite an experience. I like how I pampered myself and I am glad Nykaa app helped me find the best products available. So guys, worry no more. Bride or not, you know where to go for your makeup and skincare concerns. Hope this video was helpful and you also now can become your best version. So are you planning to try any of these products out? Do share your thoughts and keep watching this space for more such content.